Getting a girl to like you can be difficult, but there are things you can do to help get them interested. Caring about your appearance and personality can help her notice you so you're able to introduce yourself. If you've already reached out to the girl, being a good friend to her can help develop your feelings for one another and help you learn more about each other. After you become friends, reaching out and telling her how you feel could lead to a relationship. Things you should know. 1. Show your crush that you're confident and charismatic, smile around her, make strong eye contact, and be polite. 2. Build up your rapport with her. If you text her regularly and make her laugh, she'll start to feel closer to you over time. 3. Start flirting with her to let her know you're interested, and when you're ready, be open about your feelings for her. Getting her to notice you. 1. Practice good personal hygiene. If you look clean and hygienic, then you'll seem more approachable to the girl you're interested in. Take a shower or bath every day and use body soap and shampoo so you don't have body odor. Brush your teeth and use mouthwash to prevent bad breath, and keep yourself well groomed so you can look your best. Wash your face once or twice a day to help prevent pimples or acne breakouts. 2. Personal hygiene also includes wearing clean, good-smelling clothes so you don't appear dirty or messy. Don't overuse body sprays or cologne since the scents could become overwhelming. 2. Find an interesting hobby and be passionate about it. Spend time developing your own personal interests so you can seem more intriguing to the girl you like. Look for hobbies that you enjoy doing, such as sports, board games, listening to music, or drawing, so you can find out what you like doing in your spare time. Try new things to stay interesting and make the girl more curious about you. If you're still in school, look for clubs with other students so you can get together and share your hobby with others. Don't stick with a hobby if you don't like it just because someone you like is also interested in it. Be genuine with what you enjoy. 3. Act confident around her to make her more interested. Avoid comparing yourself to others since it can make you appear less confident in yourself. Recognize what you're talented in and what you like about yourself so you can feel comfortable in your own skin. Practice being confident by doing activities that you're a little uncomfortable with, such as talking to a stranger or taking up another hobby that you've wanted to try for a while. As you gain confidence, the girl you want to like you may notice and could be more interested in talking to you. Stand with good posture and maintain eye contact to seem more confident while you're interacting with others. 4. Be polite and courteous to others so she can see your manners. Don't be rude to other people and stay respectful to others so you don't come across as mean-spirited. Listen to others intently as they talk and have meaningful conversations with them so they can see you genuinely care. Say please and thank you when you're asking for something so the girl can see how polite you are and know that you're a caring individual. Continue being polite and kind even when you aren't around the girl so you stay genuine. 5. Smile when you see the girl so you look more approachable. Whenever you see the girl and you make eye contact with one another, smile slightly so she can see you're a friendly person. The girl will feel more comfortable around you when you smile since you'll seem approachable and kind. If she smiles back, she may also be interested in you or want to get to know you better. Don't stare too long at the girl since she could get uncomfortable. If the girl doesn't smile, then she may not be interested in you. 6. Introduce yourself to the girl when you feel comfortable. If you've smiled at one another and you feel confident, approach the girl and say hello. Tell her your name, and ask her for her name and how she's doing. Mention something you have in common or an observation about something nearby so you have a common topic to talk about. Maintain eye contact and smile while you're talking so you seem friendly and approachable. If the girl wants to get to know you better, she'll maintain the conversation or give you her phone number. For example, you may say something like, "Hey, my name's John. How has your day been so far?" If you're still in school and you're nervous, look for a time between classes where you can talk to her in the hall or ask if she wants to work on a project together if you share a class. If the girl doesn't seem interested in you, say something like, "Sorry, I didn't mean to bother you," and leave. Don't try to keep talking or follow her since you can make her feel uncomfortable.